Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. If you're experiencing issues with TikTok's photo mode not working or if you need to enable it, here are some troubleshooting steps you can try. Make sure TikTok has permission to access your device, camera and photos. You can usually adjust app permission in your device setting under app permissions or app settings. Ensure that you have the latest version of the TikTok app installed on your device. Outdated versions may have bugs or compatibility issues. Sometimes simply closing and reopening the TikTok app can resolve minor issues. Close the app completely, then relaunch it to see if photo mode is working. A device restart can often resolve various app-related issues, including problems with TikTok's photo mode. Turn off your device, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on and try accessing photo mode again. If you're using an Android device, try clearing the cache for the TikTok app. Go to your device setting, then navigate to apps. Find TikTok in the list, select it and choose the option to clear the cache. If this method does not work, try reinstalling TikTok app. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps above and photo mode still isn't working, you may need to reach out to TikTok support team for further assistance. They can provide more specialized guidance or escalate the issue if necessary. So that's all folks. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share and like the video.